What's up, YouTube? Cole with Coal Miner Customs here. Today we're going to be unboxing this new laser. It comes from a company, ALGO Technologies. I'm assuming that you pronounce that as either Algo or Algo. They were kind enough to send me a new laser to try out. So today's video we're going to be unboxing it and see what all comes in the box and everything. So without further ado, let's get into it. Get this opened up, let's see what's inside here. Alright, so on the top here, looks like we've got a manual. Well, actually, it looks like maybe some test stuff, some sample stuff that comes with the this kit here. Looks like a piece of maybe basswood of some sort, real lightweight. And then this looks like maybe your manual. Yeah, this is going to be the manual and quick start guide of how the laser works. This first portion here is going to be one of the rails. This is one of the motor drives right here. Power cord. Looks like your USB. Your power supply. Your L brackets and some other brackets to actually put it together with. Looks like you got a tool kit here with all the hardware. Looks like this is going to be taking some Allen heads. It does come with an Allen wrench, another 2-end open-end wrench to actually help you put this together. Pair of safety glasses, or laser safety glasses. Let's see here. Looks like actually your on and off switch here. Now keep in mind this laser is for the light burn. You can hook it up to light burn. And this is the laser itself. Do believe this is so this is going to be the 5-watt. This is actually the 5-watt laser. The lens that goes on the bottom part right here. And then you have the rest of your rail system, your Y, Z axis. The rest of these. Your belts. Looks like it comes with the 2 belts. I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like it only comes with 2 belts. And then the actual legs for the laser that goes on to the bottom of the rails actually help raise it up. Let's see what this is. I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to look for the manual to find out what this is. That looks like everything in the box. Let me move the camera and we'll take a closer look at this. Now that we've got everything laid out, I did find out what this is. So this is the basically focus assist for the laser. Looking at the Y and X-axis bars or rails, metal actually, it's pretty good, thick quality metal. It's both sets here. The drive itself, really impressed with. Even the rollers itself, you can't even hear on that. So it tells me that probably it's going to be a fairly quiet machine as it's going back and forth on the axis. Power supply, again, the other cable, your USB cable for your PC. The laser itself, it is a 5-watt, so it is kind of lightweight, but of course, you know, as you go up in 10, 20, and 30, 40 watt lasers and stuff, you know, they're much heavier and stuff. So even the brackets, the L brackets to put this thing together, is good, thick, quality metal. The quick start guide, it does tell you each individual piece and what it's called, the name of it. And then it goes into how to assemble this. By looking at this, the assembly chart and stuff and all the steps, I want to say typically probably looking about 45 minutes, even up to maybe an hour and a half to actually put this thing together. Did notice that in the user guide, it did come with some other test samples. It's the metal business cards. These things are pretty cool if you've never engraved in on them. You can really do some really neat stuff, especially if you got customers that want, you know, really unique design business cards and stuff. Come with some zip ties, then your 2 certificates, basically what the machine is, what they guarantee on it. And really that's about it. So we're actually going to put this thing together and get it to where we can start testing some materials. So that will be our next video. So keep an eye out for that. And if you want to check out this company, we're going to have the link in the description down below. They don't just have lasers, they actually have other things on their website. So check them out if you hadn't already checked them out. Okay, this is the laser put together. I want to do a quick overview of some of the components that in the instructions you may be confused about, such as this switch and how the belt is actually fed. I did leave the stickers on there so you can kind of see which rail connects to which rail, because it may be a little confusing as well. But if you take your time and just, you know, read the instructions really well, you can get it put together about 45 minutes to an hour. Hey, check out our next video. We're going to show you how this thing works. We're going to test it out on some material. And also, if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Hey, we'll see you next time.